Well, this one's easy. Choice D is the answer. They give you this information, the number of radians. Even if you've never learned what a radian is, you can get these questions right because they give you this information in the reference chart. Radians are basically another way of measuring an angle, right? In the same way that we can measure a distance in inches or in centimeters, we can also measure an angle in degrees or in radians. It's just a different unit of measurement. And so the reference chart tells us that there are 2 pi radians in a circle. So full way around a circle is 360 degrees, or 2 pi radians. Same thing. And we can use that fact to help us when we need to convert. There are formulas that you can use to kind of do it more directly, but if we just use the idea of a proportion, we can always convert between degrees and radians really easily because we know that 360 degrees is the same as 2 pi radians, so we can just kind of use fractions to do it. So let's say I wanted to know, okay, well, what's 90 degrees as radians? Well, you can just create a proportion like this and solve. I'm not going to waste your time with it here, but basically just cross multiply and divide, and you will see that 90 degrees is the same as pi over 2 radians. Radians are weird, and so you don't really want to work with them if you can avoid it, at least I think that. But if they come up on the SAT, it's usually just about converting or just thinking of an angle in some way. So they give you this information, don't get this wrong just because you're scared of that word radian. Even if you've never seen it before, you can get this stuff right on the SAT, I promise.